You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly. A name of Indian origin, meaning pure, generally a girl's name, or it also means sacred water. The Indian pronunciation is Sejal, Sejal. If you want to learn more Indian names that are confusing, make sure to stay tuned. In English, the pronunciation is as Sejal, Sejal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.